Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to display custom fields in Zoho CRM using the updated 2025 interface. Whether you're tracking extra details about your leads, contacts, or deals, custom fields are key to making Zoho work the way you need. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Setup icon. It's the little gear icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the Setup menu, go to Modules and Fields under the Customization section. Now choose the module where you want to show or manage custom fields, like leads, contacts, or deals. Once inside the module layout editor, you'll see all the fields currently displayed on the form. To show a custom field that already exists, just scroll through the layout and make sure it's visible and not hidden. Inside a collapsed section or conditional layout. If the field isn't there, click plus New Field, then choose the type, like text, number, date, pick list, or checkbox. Give it a name, set any default values or rules you want, and hit Done. Drag and drop it into your layout, then click Save Layout at the top right. Now go back to your module, whether it's leads or contacts, and open any record. You'll now see the custom field right there in the Details view, exactly where you placed it. And that's it. You've just made a custom field visible and ready to use in Zoho CRM 2025. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.